So we just checked into the Catalonia Riviera Maya Resort and Spa, and we booked the Privilege Romance room. So I'm going to give you a tour of the room. So as you can see, the highlight of the room is this beautiful king-size bed with the sheer drapes. Love the bedding, all the pillows. It reminds me of my bed at home. I love a bunch of pillows on the bed. So I love the look already of this room. So let me take you to the bathroom. So it's a nice size bathroom. It has, of course, the toilets with the toilet paper, okay, 2 rolls, a hook to hang your robe, nice mirror, okay. Guess this is the blow dryer. Yep, the blow dryer is there. All of the little essentials. The brand is Ozone. It does have only 1 sink. I would have liked to have dual sinks, but this will definitely work. It's a really nice design. Some shelving in the corner. Really nice. All of the towels in the shower. Nice rain shower head. Okay. And the handheld. Let me see what brand. I used to work for a shower company. And this is not, nope, don't know what brand this is. This is Moen, it looks like. Not sure what brand that is. So again, it has all of the bath gel, conditioner, and shampoo. Loving that rain shower up above. And again, the handheld with the bar. Nice size shower. More or less designed like a wet shower. Right across from the shower are the closets. Nice shelving, safe. Okay. Very nice, lots of space. We're here for 4 nights. You have your iron, a few hangers, 2 beautiful robes. Okay. And probably like a pillow or something in here. All right. Very nice. Okay, next is our little coffee bar. Okay, so coffee. And then what is this here? This is another storage area. Guess we could put our luggage in here. Okay. Some more storage, a little sitting area. Our bags are here right now. These drawers pull out. Okay. Some more storage, little desk area. A part of the privileged package, we got a welcome champagne, a welcome bottle. Okay. Some champagne, very nice. Some fruit, some chocolates. So really love that. Of course, I think this is hubby's favorite. It's this nice size flat screen TV. His team is playing today, so we'll be watching a lot of that. Each side of the bed has its own side table with a lamp. Lots of, let's see if these are plugs. Are these plugs? What are these things? What are these things? Oh, Lord, did I break the people's stuff? That's probably the light switch. A nice full-length mirror. Love that. Okay. Oh, little hearts. I just noticed little hearts right here on the wall. Here is the fridge. Excuse me, baby. Here's the fridge, fully stocked with water, sodas, and beer. Would have loved some snacks. Okay. Right. So other side of the bed. Okay. The room is a really nice size. Nice size. Okay. And then the other highlight is our balcony, which has a plunge pool. I love the little heart shaped there. Very nice, very nice. Very nice. So we'll use this. We're here for 4 days, so we'll try out the plunge pool. All right, so hope you like the tour of our privileged romance room here at Catalonia Resort and Spa, Riviera Maya in Tulum. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Let me know in the comments what you think of the room if you've been here before. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.